everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for you. I'm waiting for Ian. We've just had a lovely weekend away. As you know, things have been a bit tense around here with Ian's health scare and Maxwell's health scare. Oh, you must excuse me, I have a bit of a cold. That's all it is. And I'll explain to you why. Our son, number 4 son, Dom, has some off-grid cabins up in the Pocono Mountains. As you know, you've seen me take you there before. Lovely. There's 60 acres of forest and woods, and his cabins that he's built are completely 100% off-grid. He has a septic system, he has a well, full solar system for the electric. It's just so wonderful. We were not roughing it whatsoever, although it looks it. He was in the middle of a project of actually putting a porch roof and enclose a porch on the second cabin that they have. And our number 7 son, Francois, came up to help him. Again, please excuse my sunglasses. To help him over the long weekend. And Maxwell and Ian doing what he could do. But it was a lovely relaxing time up in the mountains. It's just so nice. It's camping around a campfire, cooking meals, but full electricity, beautiful hot shower. It's just lovely because we're not campers. We're not hotel people either, but we do want to be comfortable at this stage of our life, and it's really quite lovely. So Francois and Dom started doing this porch roof. Amazing. So I'm going to put up some pictures of that. And Dom's 4 children, as you know, they're Striker, Cosette, Soleil, and Bjorn, and Sarah, his wife, and their dog Bear. Bear is 14 years old. They're a Native American Indian dog, and for the first time, she's a little bit hard of hearing. She's a little bit hard of seeing. Oh, the dear dog. She looks wonderful. She looks like a puppy, but there's Ian. He's coming. Yeah. So what happened was we were in the second cabin where the family lives in the first cabin, and it's all. You turn on the gas heater. When we got there, the cabin was cold. The one that that they weren't living in, it was cold. And the first night in the 1 bedroom, Ian and I slept a little bit cold. We forgot to bring our heavy duvet up, didn't we?
I'm normally hot stuff.
You are hot stuff usually.
She normally overheats from back to back.
You're a furnace usually, and it was cold.
Wasn't.
Yeah, you were that night.
You were taking all my heat.
Oh wow, it was cold.
I didn't like it. But I like you.
And you know what happened is I got this cold because it was very dry, and our son Francois had said put the humidifier on that was next to the bed. We forgot to do that because that gas fire just sort of sucked the moisture out of the air. So I just got a scratchy throat. I'm okay, but yeah, it was lovely, wasn't it, Ian?
It was superb.
Yeah, it seems our son...
We'll send you pictures.
Yeah, I'm going to be putting pictures up.
Are you?
Yeah, of course. That's what this is about, yeah. It seems our son, Dom, wants to be, and he is, becoming a real homesteader. They have 2 properties, the house that we used to live in that was flooded, that now is raised, and the cabins up in the mountains. As I say, completely off-grid. So it was nice. I rode the quad. It was Francois' quad. Francois was like, "I'll go for a ride."
It's 1,000 cc.
It's 1,000 cc. And
was it a Can-Am? Was it?
No, it's a Polaris.
Polaris.
Yeah, and I'm used to. Yeah, I'm used to Maxwell's.
60 miles an hour. Yeah, or something ridiculous.
I'm used to Maxwell's Honda, which is a 450 cc. Not this one. So anyway, I went on the quad. It was really nice.
A few hills and took off 50 feet. She was in the air.
Get out of town. I gotta get my.
Okay, well, maybe a little puddle.
So yeah, so they are self-sufficient and wonderful, and we were comfortable and just had a really, really nice time. It was wonderful. Our boys worked very hard, and I'll put some pictures up of the little grandchildren also working very hard, getting stuff done, as true loves do.
And we had a story reading time, didn't we?
I'll put a picture up, yeah.
With my eldest.
Their eldest.
Grandson,
yeah.
Dominic and Sarah Truelove.
Striker. Him and Granddad. Yeah. That was very
not
sweet.
Not the eldest grandson out of all of them.
Yeah, not
that family.
Yeah, just that family.
Because there's a little Bjorn at the other end.
Oh, Bjorn is so sweet.
Striker, Cosette, Soleil, and Bjorn. What names?
Yeah.
Wow.
And at one point, the picture I'll put up, I didn't get any formal pictures, just some snapshots that I'll put up that you enjoy the family. At one point, they have a huge, great big fire in the middle of the, as it were, courtyard between the two cabins, and the big fire. I mean, they burn trees, and the smoke blew one way, and dear little Bjorn, he was walking around as he does, and the smoke went in his eyes. And Soleil she's 5, Bjorn is 2.5. She ran across the yard and was like hugging him, comforting him. And then Cosette came and picked up her little brother. They really looked after each other. Hard workers, those kids. Anyway, folks, we are off to do some chores. Just wanted to say hello and hope you've had a lovely weekend. We did. It was nice. And yeah, we have some things to do now. Nice to be with you. Nice to be with you. To be with you, nice. All right. That's an English thing. All right, folks. See you later. Forsyth. All right, Ian. You look very English today with your flat cap. I got my Irish flat cap. Yeah. This is from Donegal Island, I think. Yeah. All right. See you later, guys. Love from the True Loves. Bye. Bye. There we go. The leaves have gone. And all the ferns are... Yeah. Look at that, the ferns are all brown. Out of season, yeah, look at that, they're all browned off. They know the snow is coming. Wowee. Yeah, the ferns, when we've come up, the ferns are bright green in this forest. And now they're really brown. Yeah. It's the fall. Yeah, we've not been here in the fall. We've been here in the spring, the summer, and the winter. I have been here in the fall, and you guys haven't. Yeah. It's such an appropriate term here in America. They call it the fall, when all of the leaves turn brown and fall. Now, in England, it's called autumn. Autumn. Wow, it's so different looking. And harvest festival time. Look at that, so different. Giving thanks for a bountiful harvest. All the farms and produce centres of the countryside, they give thanks for the harvest and have a festival, the harvest festival in the autumn. Now there's greenery over there. Yeah, look at where's evergreens. Yeah, that's evergreens over there. All the deciduous trees almost entirely have lost their leaves. Well, oh yes, there is Francois. He's already here. Is Francois here? Yeah, that's Francois's van. And Justin and Dominic's tractor. Oh, I think they share that tractor, don't they? There's Francois. And here, folks. So somewhere are the cabins. Oh, it's an enclosed porch. Wow. I didn't realize. Yeah, there's Dom. Did he drive up with... Maybe he came up with Francois. Francois? Where do I park, Mum?
Well, that would have been wise, wouldn't it?
Probably.
Over there,
Over
I'd
there?
say.
He's enclosed the porch.
Yeah.
Can I go around?
Yes. Go around so you can come back on yourself.
Show him the miller.
Oh, the milling machine. Look at that. They mill their own logs into usable planks. Look at these here.
And they're putting on
Another
patio,
another porch on the second cabin.
Yeah, look at that. Wow, they've enclosed that porch. That's awesome. There's Dominic and Fluffy. Oh, home sweet cabin. Right.
Oh, you can turn off the video now.
And let's go over there.
Oh,
So we're not in the way of the tractor. We go parallel to the
what does that mean? Next to it?
next to it. Yes.
Why didn't you just say next to it?
Just see next to it.
Say next to it, parallel. East, west, north, south, parallel.
Here we are. Here we are. My lovely darling correcting me. Must not say parallel. Must
No,
say beside.
I don't know that.
Alongside.
Alongside. All right, there we go. Thank you.